Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Kit Conspiracy. This is week 4 of November 2023 and I am sharing this week's kit. This is the Sunkissed collection from Pretty Little Studio. I am missing, I believe, 2 pieces, and those, we had a little shipping issue, or not really a shipping issue. We had a little issue getting two of the pieces, maybe 3. Anyway, those are getting shipped out in as soon as they come in, if they haven't already yet. It's been a couple days since I talked to MK, so I'm not really sure if they are in yet or not. But anyway, the pieces we're missing is there are some, they're called lemonade words, and they're like little word phrase stickers, white on black. No. Black on white, and then the daisies we are missing. We also had in our description, I had called this something little ducks. I can't remember what I called it. Little ducks. It's actually the sunshine mix. The picture was correct in the on the Facebook post, but I just called it the wrong thing, you guys. I apologize. I don't know what, my brain was not working the day I posted it. Anyway, so I'm going to start out with this, and I have these nifty boxes I just got like literally today. They're valet trays. I just got them on Amazon. They came in a 2-pack, and I'm going to try using them because when I do Kit Conspiracy, I like to have all of the kit kind of at my fingertips and not have to like ruffle through the packaging and stuff. And rifle, I don't know. Anyway, I like to have it all out and everything. And I normally have like a Christmas plate that has 3 little squares in it, but they were a little bit too small. And I found that, especially with the 49 Market, some of the pieces were big, and I wanted this to be bigger because they kept spilling off the sides. So I'm like, I'm going to try this and see what happens. The interesting thing about these ones are they are magnetic. So this comes out. So you can make this as small or as big as you want, which I really liked, because then I could put the bigger 49 Market pieces here for like layering and such. So this one doesn't have as many large pieces, but you know, I can keep this side a little bit smaller if the other pieces are bigger or whatever. Okay, so we've got lots of little bits and pieces in here. Were you guys surprised that we picked this collection? This was actually MK's pick. Does that surprise you guys? Surprised me. Okay, we've got these little ducks with a banner. We've got lots of tabs, which I love. I love me some good tabs, you guys. These are awesome. Some little wordy stickers, sweet memory. Couple more ducks. We'll see if I use the ducks. I have no idea. They say spring. I don't know if my pictures are actually from spring. I'll have to go back and look at the date on them. I know a couple of them are not. They're from summer. Little cloud with a dragonfly. I think that's super cute. Sorry, I have these so far apart away. I should pull them up. So cloud with a kite. I think that's super cute. Another cloud and dragonfly. Orange cloud, some little flowers, more tabs. Can never go wrong with tabs. We've got some ticket pieces. This one says summer. That's awesome. More tickets. Those are fun. Some bunting pieces. Expect to see a bunting on a layout because we've got several different bunting pieces in 2 different shapes. We've got the long triangles, and then we've got the traditional bunting. Another little duck, which is cute. I don't know if I'll use it, but we'll see. And remember, you know, you can use this kind of like that, so it doesn't show the whole thing if you're not into the duck part, or put a flare right over the top or something like that. So cute little things. Postage stamps, which are super cute. These would be really cute, like Easter type of photo. An Easter collection. It's not really Easter though. So more little guys there. Another ducky, a little floral sprig. I wish I had a few more of those in there because I do love a good floral as well. A lemon slice, a little butterfly, a birdie. This one just says photo of you. Sunshine, Sunkissed, a couple more little hearts, an individual dragonfly underneath there. I don't know if you can see that. And another tab. So at a glance, this is what it looks like. And then I like the packaging too. It's totally usable. So I'm going to put the packaging right over there. Okay, we also have this cut apart concert tickets, which I think is really fun. And you have them in a variety of colors. You got the warms and the cools. So I think that'll be fun. That'll go in there also. This one is called In the Clouds. This is what it looks like. So it looks like a little bit of a repeat with maybe a couple of those. I think the sunshine mix that we are using has kind of like, it's a little variety pack of things that are in the other mixes is what it kind of looks like. But these clouds are definitely bigger, so you can definitely tell there's a little bit of a difference. Let's see if I can find that little dragonfly cloud from over here. I don't know, maybe I won't be able to find it one-handed. Is this it? Well, you kind of get an idea. Here is the other one. So they are two different sizes. And honestly, I don't mind having more than one cloud. I mean, one of each cloud. So, woo, I'm throwing pieces around here. So those are super cute. We've got them in all different colors. We've got the grid background because there is like a mixed media type of background in some of these papers. They're usually called ledger paper because they've got a ledger in the background. There's the one with the kite. So all kinds of different clouds there, you guys. And again, more packaging, which is super cute. And then we have stars. This one's called Shooting Stars. I probably could use like 2 or 3 packages of these. We only included one because it's only a week that we're using this stuff. But, you know, if there's stuff you like a lot of, then, you know, you can always go back and order those from Pretty Little Studio or see if you can get them through MK. I know right now she's just carrying the kits that we're doing, but you can definitely order through Pretty Little Studio. This collection is a newer collection, so I like that they have some of the stars open and some closed, and then there's this kind. These are not my favorites. I find those harder to use for whatever reason, but we're going to give it a try. I'm not going to show you each one individually since I showed you the packaging, and I am going to, I think I'm going to put the stars in here. See, I can just kind of scoot that over, and I think that's awesome. I will pop a picture of what the daisy package looks like up at the end of this video, and same with the lemonade word stickers. So this is called Iced Tea. They are word die cuts. And I am going to add them into this little section here. I'm going to add these pieces of packaging right underneath there. So we've got, I guess I should have showed you on the packaging, huh? Here's what it looks like. We've got sunshine, sweet, chasing summer, swimming, life is simple, let's go, keep smiling, favorite, make a splash. And then this one says coffee, tea, lemonade, water, and then iced, and you can check mark whichever one you like. And then there's a couple of other ones, and I'll read those off as I get to them in this pile. So just for size, you can kind of see what they look like. I think these are super cute. I like that they're big, black, and bold to kind of go with all of these bright colors in the papers. So we've got the sunshine. There's the one that has the coffee, tea, lemonade. This one is days of the week. I apologize for the mixed media on my fingers. make a splash. And we've got a couple of little flowers. So this is one of the daisies, but the daisy pack, they're actually, I think, bigger than this. They're more along the lines of the stars and the clouds, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't seen it in person, so I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So we've got swimming. We've got this little piece that says road trip. Super cute. Butterfly. Some flowers. A dragonfly. We're gonna show those a little better. And that's a little black and white heart hiding back in there. That's super cute. So I think I'm gonna just mix those right into this sunshine pack because those are small ephemera bits that I can use. There was another arrow. There's a couple of arrows there. Life is simple. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. Little tiny ladybug. Summer vibes. Let's go. Okay, so this one says favorite color, movie, food, and season. So you can check whichever one you like. Another arrow, another heart. This cute little ladybug. That's adorable. Keep smiling. And then the summer to-do list, have a picnic, pick strawberries, nature walk, play in the rain, craft day, read a book, paint, and bake cookies. And I think this is perfect because I'm pretty sure I have some craft day pictures that will be perfect because it's from summertime. And I might also have painting, but we'll see. I think actually I have nature walk also. So we're going to see how that goes, but I think those are super cute. I'm super looking forward to those, and I keep saying super. Okay, here are our papers that were chosen. We have this one called Sunburst, which is obviously half a sunburst, and some mixed media paint splatters. This is very 1980 something to me, but I think it's cute. I mean, it's making a comeback, so hey, it's all good. I think I have actually photos of my kids little with that as those paint splatters as a background in like a JCPenney portrait or a Sears portrait studio. I don't know where they're at, but it just makes me think of that. Okay, this one's called August Stripes. These are all single-sided papers. We opted for single-sided because, well, because we just did. We could have ordered double-sided, but we would only get one of each, and then you'd have to like struggle as to what side to use. So we just thought this was a good option. I love this one. It's called Watermelon Seeds. This one's called Thunderstorm, and I love that there's some text on some of these. Super cute. This is one of the ledger papers. It's called Paper Plates. And I love that it's the old, really big lines like a kindergartner uses. I think that's super cute. Which, the older of the two girls I take care of, she brings home papers like that sometimes. So that would be super fitting. I think this is super cute, and this is probably going to get cut up because I feel like I can use these banner pieces even as a whole or just as the banner. I love the mouse. I think he's super cute, and I like the bear too. I like the ducks, but there's a lot of ducks in this, so I don't feel like I have to use ducks. But the bear, that's the only time I've seen him so far. And this butterfly is really cute with the little stars. Okay, this one is called Relaxation, which it's got an awful lot of pink, you guys. I can't wait to see what MK does with this paper. Don't tell her I said that. But I'm super curious. But, you know, I can see where you could just easily take this right here and ignore that and cut it out. Anyway, I shouldn't be worried about what she's doing with it. I should worry about what I'm doing with it. This one's called Road Trip, and I love it because it is plain. Not really, but it is one of the plainest pieces in the collection that we chose. So I think that's really good because you need some of that to balance out all of the crazy color. And yes, I do love rainbow, but this is very colorful, you guys. So now remember, in the rules we have always played by is you can add stuff from your stash and stuff from your scraps, but no full sheets unless it's like a white or black background type sheet. So this one's called Humidity. Another one of the ledger papers. This is one of the few florals in this collection. It's called Flower Garden. I think this one's going to be pretty to just cut the flowers out of. It's super pretty. And then this one's called Feel the Sun, and it is nice and bright and cheery. So I think that's going to be really cool too. So I'm going to pop up the photos of the other two pieces. So stick around for that, and come back and see what we end up creating with this in the next week. Bye.